Hey there and welcome back to Utils. Let's build a marketplace website that doesn't just work but wows. Today we are exploring the Hales WordPress theme. It is a true powerhouse for creating stunning marketplace websites. You will get to know how. Hales is a premium WordPress theme that helps you sell products, services or digital goods. It has features you won't want to miss. Let's just start without any further delay. Firstly, let's talk design. A marketplace appearance can make or break that first impression, and Hales knows how to impress. With Hales, you get a sleek, professional look right out of the box, and the best part, it's fully customizable. From layouts to color schemes, you can tweak every detail to reflect your brand's personality. Plus, with Elementor integration, we all know that designing gets really simple. Just drag and drop, right? No coding is required. Let's move on to product management. Running a marketplace means juggling countless listings, but Hales makes it a cakewalk with its advanced product listing tools. Adding, categorizing, and managing products, services, or digital downloads is incredibly simple. And here's the kicker: vendors can handle their own listings right from the front end. It's smooth, streamlined, and efficient for everyone involved. If you are running a multi-seller marketplace, you are going to love this. Hales offers top-notch multi-vendor support. Each vendor gets their own dashboard to create stores, manage products, and even handle orders. As the admin, you have full control set commission rates, automate payouts, and oversee payment options. Hales empowers vendors while giving you peace of mind. Let's talk about user experience. Hales takes search and filtering to the next level, helping users find exactly what they are looking for. With filtering options for product type, category, price, location, and more, Hales ensure that users can narrow their choices in just a few clicks. It's all about convenience and customer satisfaction after. And of course, a marketplace isn't complete without monetization. And Hales comes packed with flexible ways to help you generate revenue. Charge vendors to list products, offer subscription plans, or feature premium listings. Hales makes it easy to tailor monetization to your goals. Everything's built right into the theme. No extra plugins, no extra hassle. Okay, so ready to sell? Hales has fully integrated e-commerce functionality to power your marketplace. From stunning product displays to secure checkouts and multiple payment gateways, Hales ensures your marketplace delivers a world-class shopping experience. And finally, performance and SEO. Vast, visible marketplace is a key to success, and Hales delivers. Hales is optimized for speed and search engine visibility. Plus, its mobile-friendly design ensures your marketplace looks amazing and performs flawlessly on any device. Whether on a phone or a laptop, your users are in for a smooth ride. So there you have it, the top features of the Hales WordPress theme. From stunning design and powerful tools to seamless e-commerce and performance optimization, Hales is your ultimate marketplace building partner. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Got questions about Hales? Drop them in the comments. We would love to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, everyone.